The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Harga kalai terik naiwiang arhajar atusan. Disebut Menteri Rangba Kejela berkentuk ke ubah Presiden Tensong berbahas nyau balang dhar kilometer jingyalang beginong yalam jong ke MCTODA ke Jante Hills Truck Owners Association bat ke East Jante Hills Truck Owners and Transporters Association. Rengkat beginong yalam jong ke Jante Hills Cement Manufacturers Association bagi terai jengki Karkhana penmidu Bilat. Habai keren mikilat patai kubor bahas nyau balang dhar ulong bagi lasyam megarai benagaliang kini ki association jengki terai beginong nyak Trok bagi terai Karkhana du Bilat Kilometer ban Siew no yakandai Tyngka man ka Kilometer na ka Tonne yaki Trok na kebentabar ojat surok kebayat bagi ket du Bilat apa uput usam jong ke jelam Meghalaya. Hakabayadai bagi jeng dawa ke MCTODA ban Siew da kejuk kedor habak ket du Bilat syagi bagi jela. Ubahasnya balang dhar ulong baya kedor baik ket du Bilat cabar ke jela ka MCTODA kan hap penekeren penbajihi bagi terai Karkhana du Bilat. Peduli itu bagi MCTODA bagi Kynhun kila dawa bagi sorkar kariban manglupa sispa arpot ligi Trok jangi terai jela ban ket du Bilat negeri Karkhana pendik du Bilat. Bat kitrai Karkhana kelapan Porsche tayo holo kena kejing dawa bat kumta labu tarik banya kenduk biang haga arpoi tarik naiwiang banya keren halor kena kejing dawa.
Cement associations and all the three transport associations, and the meeting is a very good and nice meeting, and it's a very positive meeting, and some part we have decided today and some other part is we'll meet again sometime next week.
What are the decisions?
The decision we take, number one is we have put the fare is, before it was between 7 to 11 and today we decide only one fare, rupees 9 per kilometer. And all the transporters are happy with that.
What about this 9 rupees is for all types of roads? Or?
No, for all type of roads, but within Meghalaya. 9 rupees per ton per kilometer within Meghalaya.
For all type of roads?
Yes.
What about loading?
Loading.
Because they
No, we didn't talk about loadings. We are talking about rate only. Then it falls accordingly.
So other areas where agreement were arrived at?
Yeah, you see, within the state of Meghalaya, the same rate will prevail. 9 rupees per ton per kilometer. And the loading or loading is different subjects.
So they will demanding notified roads even outside the state.
No, that is not yet. You see, that is not yet decided. We are decided about within the state of Meghalaya.
Do they agree or not?
No, they are happy. They are agreed.
What about
And beyond the state, within Meghalaya border, and beyond the Meghalaya, so based on them between the transporter and the cement association, they will discuss it accordingly as per the previous market, I think, beyond Meghalaya. The rest is everything is fine. So yes, there is some part is left because we demand 120 trucks per day quota for the local people. So that's little bit stocks. 80 is already done, and 100 they are agree. So we are pushing another 20. So the cement associations request time for another 1 week, and we will meet again after 1 week. 21st of November we'll sit again.
this?
But till date, how many trucks from the local are?
That's why we demand 120. As of now it's 80, and we demand 120, and they propose 100. So again they request us 1 week's time from the cement association. So we will sit on the 21st again. We will discuss this matter finally.
Presiden ke MCTODA ubah maslandar merengar ule tu bagaseng gelap diang ya kador bakandai Tyngka man ka Kilometer na ka Tonne. Yaki Trok ke du Bilat bad ulong bagadai namar bagi terai Karkhana penmi du Bilat kela kenyot dor palat ada pentrekam ya kador ke bah nyau Tyngka haduk kadwai Tyngka. Bad ulai ku blai ki arngot kisembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ke Basyam Kia bat sengutu ya kejing ya jengki. Ule tu bagaseng menta ke abekara ya ke bagadai bagajing dawa ban mang sispa arpot ligi Trok jengki terai jela ban kit du Bilat มันละกสนี
The company had come full gun blazing today to enforce the the notification passed by the government, no? On 13 on the passed by the government, like giving the 7 rupees per ton minimum to maximum 11 ton. Then from our side, we asked the company in front of the government, our deputy chief ministers, both the deputy chief ministers, that they always want to enforce this rule 7 to 11. Why? Because they want to squeeze us. That will take the lowest rate. Then from our side, we said now till now you are squeezing us at the lowest rate. You giving us 7 to 11. Why not give us now at the 11 rupees? Because due to according to the times. But after a long discussion, then we said that to avoid all confrontation, if you don't want us to give the 11 rupees per ton, you should fix us a fixed rate. Don't give this rate 7 to 11, because this will give a chance, an open door for them to squeeze the stakeholders who are having trucks, the drivers and the truck owners. So at the end of the day, we are happy with both the deputy chief minister. They understand that problem, that this is a very risky thing to pass. Now in front of the Commissioner of Transport, he had passed within there itself that now they have to fix a fixed rate, that is 9 rupees per ton, not to go by this 7 to 11 rupees. I said, regarding what you said, are you happy? Till date, we are getting the rate, but now we want there's another the point that to be discussed. Since our truck, from time to time, especially our truck, who are locals mean within the state. When we say local, mean not that we said that we won't allow the truck from outside. Now the truck which is used by the cement factory, their truck and the truck from outside is 2,000, 1,000 per day. But for our truck, they are giving just mere 80 truck per day. That to the Jantil Truck Owner Association and the East Jantil Truck Owner Association. So now 2,000, 1,000 they are loading, 80 truck they are giving to us. You say that, are we happy? We are not happy with that. We are fighting with that. We tell them that you have to upgrade, because coming this side, coming in the state, they set up the factory, mean they have to give us preference first. Yeah, we are not saying that we will carry all the goods, they won't carry. But if we get only a mere 120, 200, 300, also we're happy. There is 1,800, there is 1,700 carried by them. We didn't have any objection. So regarding this thing, the cement factory, in front of the deputy CM, both deputy CM, they said that they will sit a meeting first, and the deputy CM both the deputy CM assure us that on Monday they should come with a decision.